Hello guys, welcome to this session where I will be telling you and be talking about our recommended brokers. First of all, who are Forex brokers? Forex brokers are firms that provide traders with access to a platform that allow them to buy and sell foreign currencies. For anyone to trade Forex, we need platform. And there are many of these platforms. We have MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, WebTrader, CTrader, etc. And the most popular one that people use is MetaTrader 4 because it allows you to be able to use many indicators like signal software, robot, etc. So for you to be able to trade Forex, you need a Forex broker which give you access to be able to use a platform like MetaTrader 4. So we have hundreds if not thousands of these broker worldwide. Getting a good one might be an hectic job for somebody that is just coming up, for a beginner. So we in Smart Traders, we have been able to put together Forex broker that we have used all these years, that we are so sure we will be able to have a good experience with, and they are good in all of these automated trades. The use of Forex robot, Forex signal indicators. So coming for you to get access to our recommended program, you come to our website and you move down and you see our two major recommended broker here. We have the FBS Forex broker and not Forex. So for you to register with FBS, just click on register here, and using our link give you access to us. We can be able to guide you, can be able to also provide for you any assistance you want. So coming to our website and click into our links, what you just need to do is click on open account. Then after that, you just need to put in your email, put in your full name, or you can use either of these. Just use your Facebook, that film logo, to use your Facebook to register with them. Then you just follow little guide and you will be up and doing. So we have these two recommended brokers that we are so sure that definitely you will like and be able to work with, because they are very good and we have used them all these years. So get close down here and click on any one of these two, and you register through this link. If you register through our affiliate link, that means you are joining our group and will be able to provide any assistance for you anytime you need it. And apart from that, we are so sure that these recommended brokers really work with our Forex robot and every other Forex robot you might have or indicator. So from that link, you are sure of getting registered and having access to a platform you can trade Forex with. So just coming around, fill this form, get registered, and you are sure of starting your journey in Forex trading. Thank you very much.